Alright, the wife had a blowout the other day on the Tahoe, and I had to go rescue her. And for some reason, now the back tire is locking up on it. So I don't know if she got tire belts wrapped around it or what, but we're gonna have to pull this tire off and see what's going on. So let's see. See what it was. It was my fault. The spare won't fit on this over this brake caliper. So the inside of the rim was rubbing on the brake caliper there. But from where her tire, where she stopped, and I put the spare on, from there to home was less than a quarter of a mile. So that, if I'd have drove it much further, it would have been wore a lot more in there, for sure. But now that I'm home, and I have a little more time to mess with it, and I ain't out on the side of a 2-lane highway, I can try to get the spare out. Well, the other reason I didn't use the spare is because I tapped on it with this, and I can tell it's flat. So I used the spare out of my pickup truck. Looks like I'm gonna have to go get the key. Get a little better hand over here. Do this. I've never had to take this tire down before since I've had this Tahoe, so I'm trying to figure it out now. be doing anything. Well, that's not working for some reason. Just my luck. Probably gonna have to get a grinder out here and cut the hanger off that's holding my tire up in there. Course. Alright, we're underneath the Tahoe now, and this is the cable and stuff that's holding the spare under. As you can see, this spare has probably never even been used before. If it has, it was very little. So there's a possibility this tire has never come out from underneath this truck, or this Tahoe. This is a 2004. So, and I remember the guy that I bought this from had trouble getting this down one day, but I thought he took it to the shop and had that all fixed, but maybe he didn't. So I'm just gonna take my grinder here and I'm gonna cut this. I'm just gonna cut it off there and use the spare. And if I can figure out what's wrong under here, I'll try to fix it. If not, I'll just keep the spare in the back of the Tahoe or something. But for now, watch your ears. That loosened it, but that didn't go all the way down. Probably gonna have to do some more cutting. I think I'll go get my jack stands and put them under this tire, hold it up. Since the camera's still going, I still got all ticked off. Sometimes that's what it takes. Never in my life had to cut a spare tire down. Drag out all these tools just to change a tire. Alright, it ain't pretty. But we got her back tire on there. Here's the tire she destroyed. So, and this tire's off my K-1500 Chevy truck. It's my spare for that. I don't know why it wouldn't fit on this full size or this Tahoe. Same lug pattern, I guess it's just different. But I'll have to get her some new tires pretty soon. I'll put the ones that's on the front back here on the back, and then I'll get new ones for the front. That's how I usually do it. The ones on the front aren't that old. Anyway, thanks for watching. Alright, I just wanted to show you what this deal was that holds the tire up under here. In case you've never seen it, like I haven't. It's not just a cable like they used to do. So it was kind of a pain to get that tire out. And I don't know what it is, but there's something plastic up in there. All this is plastic. And when I stuck my rod through the hole out here, the plastic wasn't gripping the metal rod, and the metal was just spinning in it. So it wouldn't allow the tire to come down. So this is just bolted on up here. So I could replace this whole deal here. Probably get a junkyard find or eBay. But definitely wasn't fun getting that tire out.